Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And today's question is maximum consecutive ones. Consecutive ones, this question already we have solved in our previous videos, but this is another question of the same type. In this question, you are given nums array, also integer k. We have to return the maximum number of consecutive ones in array so that if you can flip at most k zeros. Okay, so basically in this question you are given an array nums and also integer k. What you have to do, your task is just to flip the number of zeros in this given array such that the resultant subarray must be of longest length, must be of longer. ठीक है? What we have to do, we have to just flip this. We can flip this zero, this zero, this zero, this zero, but we can flip only k zeros, and we have to flip k zeros such that the subarray we get should be of longer length as compared to all the other subarrays. Now the main task is to find that with we have to flip the zeros, but which zeros we can flip. This one, this one, this one. So this is only the task. We have to find it. After flipping which zero, we'll get the maximum length subarray. So can we solve this question? Can we solve this question like this? We can find the what we can find. We can find the longest subarray with maximum zero, and then we will flip all the zeros, and then we will flip all the zeros. We can find yeah longest subarray with zero. Okay, if we'll get the longest subarray, for example, our longest subarray is with zero is this, and our k is equals to 3. So what we'll do now? We had taken this longest subarray, and now we will flip this zero, and this zero. So we will get the maximum consecutive ones in an subarray. Yeah. So this is only the question. This is we have to do. Now how we can find the longest subarrays with maximum zero? We'll take the two pointer. We will do this with the help of two pointer approach because it will give us a time complexity of big O of n. We can also do this question using that two for loops, but the time complexity will become big O of n square, and this is not good. So we'll solve this using two pointer approach. Now the two pointers are, we will take the two pointer right, left, also a zero, which will keep in track that how many zero we have seen earlier, we had visited. Okay, initially the right pointer is here, the left pointer is here, and zero is equals to zero. We will iterate until our right pointer reaches at the end, and we will increment the count of zero. So if nums of r equals to zero, if, nums of r equals to 1, we'll simply increment the right. If nums of r equal to 1, we will simply increment the right. If nums of I equals to 0, we'll stop and we will increment the count of 0. So now we had got 1 0. Similarly, and then after we will increment the count of right. Now nums of r is also equals to 0, so we will increment the count of 0. Nums of r equals to 0, we will increment the count of 0. Now when the case arrives, if we'll get this condition, that is nums, sorry, sorry. If our 0, if our 0 crosses k, we have to stop. We have to stop there. We have to stop there. If such conditions arise, we have to stop there. Okay. Now in this case, our k equals to 2, but we get 3 zeros, so we will stop. Uh, now our 0 contains 3 zeros and our k equals to 2. So what should next we do? We'll simply, and our right is pointing here. Okay, so what we'll do, we'll simply increment our left. If our left equals to 0, we'll simply increment left plus plus until the left equals to 0. If left equals to 0, we will decrement the count of 0, that is 2, and we will return this length, and we will return this length. This length is only our answer. Okay, I hope so you got understand a bit. After seeing the code, we'll betterly understand this. So we had taken two pointer right and left. We had also taken a 0 We are iterating till our right pointer reaches at the end. If our nums is equals to 0, we are incrementing the count of 0. If our right equals, and then we are incrementing the right count. If our 0 crosses the k, then we are decrementing the count. We are decrementing the 0 count and incrementing our left pointer. And at last we are returning the length. We are returning the length. Okay. So let me run this. Yeah, all the test cases are passing, which means our code is all correct. So thank you guys. Thank you for watching.